Mumbai Mahanagarpalika.
Good morning.
Good morning, children.
Morning, teacher.
Very, very good morning. Children, today our subject is English. So we are going to learn one more topic. And listen carefully. Okay? Students, everyone have daily routine. We get up early in the morning. We brush our teeth. We take bathing. After bathing, we have our breakfast. Okay? So this is all our daily routine. And daily routine is also good habit for our good health. So students, I will share with you one nice PPT. But in this session, you'll listen very carefully. Listening is the very most important part for our improved language, our English language. Okay? So students, in our today's subject is English. Unit number 4, lesson number 2, Sunny and Meaning. Sometimes, whenever you meet your friends, we meet our friends, then that time we talking, we conversation. It's called conversation. We talk about our birthday party, about game, like that. Here is small conversation. So everyone listen carefully. Okay, children, can you see in this picture? What do you see?
Clock.
Clock. Clock. Very good. Okay. And other thing?
Computer and bathing and sleeping and brushing teeth and running and standing and bed and study doing.
Okay. So, a girl is there. She is doing her daily routine. She wake up early in the morning, brush her teeth, taking bath, running, exercise, reading book, watch TV, having breakfast. This shows to you our daily routine. It's good health, good habit also. The clock is so we have time to time. We take our breakfast to time, lunch and dinner. Like that, we brush our teeth after waking. We take bath. It's very compulsory. So all of you doing every day. Now see, next picture. Now see, what do you see?
Ball. Clock.
Again clock. Okay.
It's running. And bathing and breakfast doing and running and going to school and study doing and brushing doing and sleeping and mobile watching.
Okay, very good. So everyone know daily routine. Here is a one boy. He is also doing same thing. After waking, brushing, he brush, he is taking bath, have breakfast, exercise, reading, and go to school also. Okay? So this is all daily routine. Now see, students, this is our today's topic, Sunny and Minnie, small conversation. So listen carefully, everyone.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, now in this picture, there is one boy and one cat. Here is going conversation. So I am going to read. You listen carefully. It was Sunday morning. Sunny was in his bed. Get up, Sunny. Brush your teeth, said his mother. So he, okay. So his mother saying, get up, Sunny. Brush your teeth. Because it's a morning time. And Sunday we have holiday. Everyone have holiday. So I'm going to read again. We listen. It was Sunday morning. Sunny was in his bed. Get up, Sunny. Brush your teeth, said his mother. Okay. Now see, in next. Hi, Sunny. You are still lying in bed. Get up, said Minnie. So, a cat is Minnie. Here, the name of cat is Minnie. And this boy, his name is Sunny. So, cat says, hi, Sunny. You are still lying in bed. Get up, said Minnie. Sunny says, hi, Minnie. Let's play. In next picture, but you look so dirty.
But you look so dirty. I am clean. So what? Let's play Minnie. Come on Sunday. What? Let's play Minnie. Oh, okay. I will.
Okay. Come. Okay, very good. But you listen.
Come on, Sunny. Look yourself in the mirror. Okay, I will.
Okay, student, but listen. Firstly, listen. Okay, and repeat after me. But you look so dirty. Who says? Who says?
So dirty. Minnie. Minnie.
Okay, let me complete. I am clean. So what? Let's play, Minnie. Come on, Sunny. Look yourself in the mirror. Okay, I will. So here, Sunny is looking in the mirror. He is looking so dirty. So, now, Minnie says, your teeth are yellow. Your mouth is sticky. Your hair are messy. So Minnie says to Sunny, your teeth are yellow. Your mouth is sticky. Your hair are messy. Yes, I am looking very ugly. I like clean friends. What says Minnie? I like clean friends. Clean yourself and let's go to play. Yes, I will be right back. So here, Sunny and Minnie talk to each other about cleanliness. Students, here, cleanliness is a very important in our life. So, your mother, father, elders always tell you, get up early in the morning, brush your teeth, take bathing, wear clean clothes, have breakfast on time, do your homework on time, watch TV on time. So this is all good habits. So Minnie and Sunny talk to each other. Okay? Now see, in this picture, what do you see?
Wow, Sunny is combing hair and Sunny is clean clothes wearing and Sunny is bathing also. Sunny is brushing teeth also.
Wow, very good. So everyone know. So Sunny is doing his daily routine. In the first picture, he is brush. So Sunny is brushing his teeth. Next picture, he is taking bath. And third one picture is wearing clean clothes, clean shirt, and comb his hair. So this is cleanliness. So here, wow, Sunny, you are looking neat and tidy. Let's play. Who says here? Anyone know?
Me. Let's play
Okay, student.
Sunny.
Meaning. So Mini says to Sunny. Here, Mini says to Sunny, wow, Sunny, you are looking neat and tidy. Let's play.
Let's play. Dad and Sunny told, thank you, Mini. Let's play.
Very good. So, I'm going to read and everyone listen carefully. So, other students also listen carefully. Wow, Sunny, you are looking neat and tidy. Let's play. Thank you, Mini. Let's play and enjoy Sunday.
Thank you, Mini. Let's play and enjoy Sunday.
Mini and Sunny are playing with each other.
Each other.
So they are starting to play after cleanliness. So after Sunny is done his daily routine. Okay, then he go to playing. He is going to play. So this is very important. When you wake up in the morning, you have to complete. You should complete your daily routine about cleanliness and taking breakfast. And after all this, you can go to play. Don't go to direct to play. Okay? So students, this is the small conversation. Like this, your birthday party. You can talk with your friend about your birthday party, about your games. Okay?
Okay.
Now students, complete the following sentences. So here, some pictures given here.
Yes.
Okay. See, in first picture, what do you see?
Sunny is combing hair and Sunny is going to school. And Sunny is bathing and Sunny is brushing teeth and Sunny is wearing neat and tidy clothes.
Okay, student. So, and we are going to repeat it one by one. So, in first picture, okay, it's to everybody. Now, in first picture, Sunny is combing his hair.
Sunny is combing his hair.
And second picture, Sunny have a bag. देखो red color. See, there is red bag. So it is going to school. So Sunny is going to school. In third picture, Sunny is bathing. Very good. So we are going to complete one by one. So
Sunny is brushing teeth.
In fourth picture, Sunny is brushing his teeth.
Clean and tidy clothes. Finger clothes.
In fourth picture, Sunny is brushing his teeth. And last one, fifth picture, Sunny is wearing clean clothes, clean shirt. So you can say cloth and you can say shirt. So this is the 5 pictures. So everyone complete at home. Now see. Here's some pictures. Very nice and colorful pictures for you.
Sleeping.
Okay. So this one. Okay. Now Kiran, listen firstly.
Brush your teeth twice a day. Wash your hands before and after meal. Avoid junk food.
Okay. Now, okay. So first listen and then repeat after me. In first picture, early to bed, early to rise. So always we should going to bed on time and wake up on time. So early to bed, early to rise. Everyone repeat after me.
Early to bed, early to rise.
Okay. Now, in second picture, you can see clearly, brush your teeth twice a day.
Brush your teeth while the day.
So student, it is compulsory. After your waking, all of you brush your teeth and before going to bed at night, you should brush your teeth. So twice a day it means at morning and at night you have to brush your teeth. Again repeat after me. Brush your teeth twice a day.
Brush your teeth twice a day.
Very good. Now third picture. Wash your hands before and after meal.
Wash your hands before and after meal.
So we should wash our hands before and after meal. It means at breakfast time, at lunch time, at dinner time, whenever we eat something, that time before you should wash your hand. And after meal also we must wash our hand. So again repeat after me. Wash your hands before and after meal.
Wash your hands before after meal.
Before and after meal.
Before and after meal.
Okay. Now fourth picture. See. Avoid junk food.
Avoid junk food.
So here it means avoid. You have to avoid like kurkure, wafers, and everyone like pizza, burger, pani puri. So everyone like to eat, but we have to avoid it because for our good health, good breakfast, good lunch, good dinner, good food is good for our health. So we have to avoid junk food. Again, everyone, repeat after me. Avoid junk food.
Avoid junk food.
Very good. Now see, in second row. First one, exercise regularly. Exercise regularly. Again,
Exercise regularly.
so exercise regularly, it means at morning time after waking. We have to exercise every day. It is for our good health. So Exercise regularly. Again repeat after me.
Exercise regularly.
Very good. Now next picture. Take bath every day.
Take bath every day.
So everyone should have to take bath every day for cleanliness. Now next picture. Go to school on time.
Go to school on time.
So everyone repeat after me again. Go to school on time.
Go to school on time.
Students, here, every and each work we have to complete on time. We have to start on time. It is very important in our life. Time is very important. Now in Zoom meeting, you have to join on time. So our online education is going on in this period. Everyone, it is compulsory. You have to join your Zoom meeting, your class teacher's Zoom meeting on time. It is very important. Here, showing go to school on time. So students, repeat after me. Go to school on time.
Go to school on time.
Yes, very good. So it is very important. We have to complete our all work, daily routine on time, like homework. You do your homework on time. You have to your breakfast on time. You have to wake up early in the morning on time. Go to bed on time. Time is important in our life. In first picture, we show that the clock is given there. So I will explain again. Now last picture. Be attentive in the classroom. Everyone repeat after me. Be attentive in the classroom.
Be attentive in the classroom.
Yes, attentive is very important. So, children always teachers telling like, please attention here, please attention here. You are talking to each other. You are playing with rubber. In school, you are playing with pencil. You are drawing something in on page. So, don't do this. At teaching time, whenever your teacher is teaching to you, you have to attention there. It is compulsory. That time, teacher is explaining something in on any topic, in maths, in English. So, it is very important. Whenever your teacher teaching you something, telling you, you have to attend there. Your attendance attention is very important. So you can remember, you can understood very badly. Everyone repeat after me this sentence. Be attentive in the classroom.
Be attentive in the classroom.
Okay. So students, these all are daily routine. And it is also a so students. Everyone enjoy it.
Yes.
You are like go to school, wake up, brushing your teeth, wash your hand before meal and after meal, taking your breakfast on time. Okay, do your homework on time. About cleanliness and daily routine. It is good habit for us, for our good health. Okay, so students, everyone, I will send this PPT in our WhatsApp group. So look at the WhatsApp group and please remind this daily routine is very important in our life. So everyone, enjoy your day. Have a good day.